in some roundabouts I feel a bit confused
Mhm.
in the lanes,
Okay.
but I try to maintain my side,
That was very good, to be
yeah,
honest. That
even
was very good. Okay, go on.
my errors, but yeah, I think I have
That was the
had,
main problem.
yeah.
That's what you
yeah,
think. That was the main problem.
yeah.
And anything else? What you think that you failed the test? You failed. If you're sitting in the real test, okay, and you will fail the test. Anything what you done today?
I think that
Serious mistake.
there's an roundabout. I maintain the middle lane
Mm-hmm.
to take the second, but I think my position is not good.
Was your position on the left or was your position on the right?
I'm more on the right.
More on the right.
I needed to
To
stay
be in the middle.
more.
Yes, that was in the Drayton Pass
Yes,
Road roundabout. Yes, I think we have done that roundabout
Yes,
before. Yes, so you made a serious mistake there. Anything else?
I don't remember.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. So that was a mistake. Yes, you made and you failed the test. Okay, we'll talk about that in detail. And then you made another mistake, but you didn't realize it. You know, at one point while you was driving, okay, you lost the way. Yeah, you took the wrong turning, and you went into the circle. Yes, and I said to you, at the end of the road, turn left. Just before the end, there was another turning on the left, and you given a wrong indicator. You given indicator before that, and you did not turn left.
Yeah, I didn't.
You didn't remember
No,
that?
no.
Yeah. Okay, so that was when you was going end of the road. So end of the road means T junction. Yes, there was another turning just before, not very far from the end of the road. So in that case, do not give indicator. What should you do? Okay, hold your indicator, check your mirrors anyway, slow yourself down, and you was already driving slow anyway. There was not the problem with the speed. Okay, and then you didn't look on the left at all. There was another turning, innit? So just drive past, or maybe go opposite to that, parallel to that, and then you give indicator. Yes, so in that case you're not going to confuse anybody. So that was the mistake you made. All right, so those are the two serious mistakes. Okay, and then there were some other mistakes. I'm going to go through all of them one by one. Okay, but first of all, let's talk about stalling. You know, when you stole the car here. Yeah, why did you steal the car? From the very beginning, you know, when you started,
Yeah,
what was the problem?
Wrong gear.
Yeah, you were in the gear number 3,
Yes.
not gear number 1. So make sure you always use your palm and push my side, yeah, examiner side, yes,
Yes.
and then gear number 1. Because if you are in gear number 3 or 4 or something like that, okay, the car might not move, okay, unless if it is down the hill. If it's down the hill, then it might.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not going to stall. But if it's up the hill or level surface, it will definitely stall. Stalling is not the problem as long as you recover immediately. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So that was the first mistake. Okay, minor. Then I said to you, from that roundabout, you know, the very first roundabout, I said to you, at the roundabout, turn right, third exit. And you've done that roundabout many times. I don't know, why did you not count it? You should have counted exit 1, exit 2, yeah, and then exit 3.
I took the 4.
Do not, yes, you took the 4th. Don't count entrance in the roundabouts, okay? But make sure you count exits. And you didn't count properly, okay? And then what happened is you took the 4th one. No problem, but the good thing there is you didn't stop there, yeah? You just maintained the momentum. You know, you carried on going, which was very good, okay? Not serious mistake, but careful about that, okay? Then same roundabout, we came back, and I said to you, Julie, at the roundabout, turn right, third exit. Again, what did you do? This time you went straight.
Yeah.
Yes, this time you went straight. Yeah, so careful. You didn't count again. Count it, 1, 2, 3, and third exit. Yes. Then after that we went to another roundabout. Yes, in that roundabout you got confused now, because in that roundabout I said to you, Julie, at the roundabout, turn right, second exit. Yes, instead of doing second exit, again you didn't count. You did third exit this time. Made a U-turn. You remember that? Yes. So count it again. All right. Then further down, I said to you, the roundabout, turn left. It was easy, so you turned left. And then you went after that into double roundabout. There were double roundabout. My instruction was, at the roundabout, turn right. First roundabout, turn right. Second roundabout, straight ahead. That's what I said to you, yes?
Yes.
And I mentioned that 2-3 times. I knew that you're going to make a mistake there. So what you done, in the first roundabout, you done very nice. You done right, which was second exit. And when you went to the second roundabout, you went to the left, first exit. I did not say to you to go left. I said you follow the road ahead, which was straight ahead. And in that case, it was second exit. You understand now?
Yes.
Okay. Understanding was a bit of issue today with the roundabout exits. Okay, we'll work on that. And the final time you made a mistake. Then further down, there were 2 roundabouts again. And I said to you, Julie, this time totally wrong. I said to you, Julie, first roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit, and second roundabout, turn right, third exit. Yes? And the first roundabout, what you did, you went to the first roundabout, you given indicator before the roundabout, and you turned right, third exit. From the very first roundabout, you did not even go to the second roundabout. That was another mistake. Yes, but you did not fail. Why you did not fail? Because you kept going. You know, whatever the decision you made, you stuck with that. Yes, you didn't do anything wrong. You just carried on. Okay, you didn't cause any obstruction, any obstacle for anybody. Okay, and that's it. That's what you need to do in the exam as well. First of all, you should follow the instructions. Make sure you always follow instructions properly. You need to know where is your exit. Okay, if you don't know your exit, that could lead into the serious mistakes as well sometimes. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. But Drayton Pass Road roundabout, I told you, if you ever in middle or left lane, always use the outer circle. Yes, you always need to consider somebody might be in the right lane, and that person will go inside the roundabout. There are 2 tracks in the roundabout: inner track, outer track. I call them tracks. Yeah, inner track, outer
Yes.
track. So if you are in the middle lane, use outer track, outer lane. Okay, if you're in the left lane, left. Okay, but if you ever been on the right lane, then you go to the right. Do you understand?
Yes.
That was a serious mistake. You cut into you were in the middle lane. You
Yeah.
took the middle lane very nicely, and then when you entered, instead of keeping yourself on the left outer track, you kept going straight
Yeah.
inwards towards the inner curve, and somebody might be on the right lane. Yes, there was a car behind anyway, and that could have been problem, but that guy managed it. Yeah. So make sure next time do not do that.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the mistakes you made. We will work on them. Happy about it?
Yes.
Thank you.
Happy.